It's time to get to work in the challenge from Brad. Got that solo SG guitar kit ready for me. Today we're going to do some prep work on it and get ready to beat Brad with the big finish. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Well, first things first here, we're going to actually have to clean up the body a little bit. I've just got some basic sandpaper and I'm going over it to smooth out the sanding sealer. So this is a basswood body, and the sanding sealer they put on needs a little bit of love. So we're going to go ahead and just clean up all the corners and nooks and crannies, do it on the maple neck as well, and get ready for a primer. Definitely not staining this. Got something in the works that you guys will be seeing shortly. Have not seen it done on a guitar body before. So I'll probably put about 10-15 minutes in cleaning it all up, and then I test clamped the neck to see how it fit. Went pretty well. And then we're going to go ahead and apply some tight bond wood glue. We're going to put it on the neck, and then we're going to put it on the body as well, so that way when you push down on it, you don't squeeze the glue out of everything. And lo and behold, the joint swells just slightly. And as I start clamping it down, I realize I need a little bit more clamping force, and it's not going down as far as I want it. So I took it, pushed it on the floor a little bit, got a little bit of a stronger clamp to see if I could get it in. That didn't work. So then got out a Bessie clamp. This is available at Home Depot as well. This is a 5-inch reach clamp. Clamped it down. That still wasn't doing it, so a little bit of mallet action, then go back to the smaller clamps and then put the bigger clamp in the middle. So disaster avoided, and then we'll go ahead and clean off the glue with a wet rag. I've done a bunch of videos before where I've shown you don't want that neck too tight or else the wood will swell, just like it happened here. I don't understand the guys posting the videos of the tight neck. Do they just go back and sand it? It's one of those things. I have a tight neck. Well, then how the hell are you going to glue it? So clean up the glue. And then the edge of the neck was just sticking up a little bit. So I get a little sanding block with a little bit of sandpaper and just sand it down where that pickup's going to go. We're going to then tape it off. So just some simple masking tape. That blue tape is available anywhere, any store. Tape off the fretboard and get ready to prime this. We're going to be using Kilns white primer. It is available at any store. Just a basic white primer. We're going to spray it on. Goes on a little bit thick. And we'll just spray this. I've got my whole garage fan blowing in the back. And we'll just put a couple coats on. Once this dried, I came back with 320 and just smoothed it out slightly. I actually forgot to film that. But we'll just put a couple coats on here. Having trouble. It was spitting slightly, and then as I was spraying it, it'd come out at sort of full force. Wasn't so sure why that was doing that. And then my tape over there decided to peel off slightly, so we'll have to come back and hit that. So since it's coming out so thick, we'll just sort of move this back and forth. We'll do 2 coats. Let it dry. First coat I filmed, second coat I did not film. And like I said earlier, I then sanded it down and got it smooth. So we'll let this dry for about maybe a week. And next up I will show you my special finish technique here that is pretty cool. So thanks for watching, guys. Just a quick update on the project with Brad. And we'll see you in the next video.